Hey, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will be showing you how to withdraw Notcoin to Tonkeeper wallet. For that, the process is very easy. Just open up your Tonkeeper wallet and go to the receiving section and just copy this address. You will be needing it. So first thing is, in order to receive the tone, all you have to do is to receive the tone from the other wallet where your Notcoin is. Make sure that you swap the Notcoin or trade the Notcoin into the form of USDT or Toncoin. So that way you will be able to send it to your Tonkeeper wallet, because Tonkeeper is only used for USDT and Ton transaction. So there is no way you can use it for Notcoin. So if you want to transfer Notcoin, you can transfer Notcoin indirectly by first converting it into Toncoin or USDT and then sending that Toncoin or USDT to the Tonkeeper wallet. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.